My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Kia Sportage GT line. This vehicle has done just over 37,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons just below, we can get access to our settings, information, navigation, Bluetooth, media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. If we press this button here, we can access our climate control. We also have a USB and aux port. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.